Welcome back to Arizona Rock Garden Designs by me, Julie E. And today we are going to do a painting. Now, I've been watching a lot of Olga Soby, and she does a kiss pour. That's really cool. I think Marcy over at Mixed Media Girl does the kiss pour also. But I want to practice it so that I can do one of Olga's flowers. Or feathers, I mean. Not flowers, feathers. One of Olga's traveling kiss pour feathers. They're just so pretty. I don't know why I keep wanting to say flower instead of feather. It's a feather. Okay, so for our base, we've just got Artist Loft Flow Black, and it is mixed with my 70-30 school glue pouring medium, which is 70% Elmers school glue with 30% piping hot tap water and shaken to the point of insanity. So let's put that on real quick first. There we go. And then I have mixed up, oh, I need to pour some of this in a cup too, don't I? Okay, here we go. Excuse my arm. And then we're going to pour that into 1 cup, because you want 1 cup the same color as your base. So, all right. Let me smooth that out. Just popping air bubbles with my torch. If you use a torch or any other type of heat source, please make sure that you have a fire extinguisher handy within arm's reach. Okay, now for our colors that we are going to layer into our second cup. Those are going to be, this is kind of a plum that I made up custom. It's fun to mix custom colors. I enjoy it. This is the Arteza Pearl Amethyst, and these are all mixed with the same pouring medium, the 70-30 glue, school glue and water. Okay, and then this really pretty deep green is also a custom color that I mixed up. And next to that, I am putting Arteza Pearl Olive Green, and I'm putting a regular paint next to a metallic paint. This is a really pretty kind of burgundy magenta. And then this is the Rust-Oleum Metallic Accents. Let's see, what is that? Black Garnet, and I mixed it with a bit of copper to lighten it a little bit. Okay, and those are our colors. Now I'm just going to pinch that a little bit. There we go. And pinch this one a little bit. And I'm nervous to do this because I shake, especially in this hand. I don't know if you can see, but I have a great big scar running down my elbow where I had surgery. And yeah, so my hands still get tremors once in a while. All right, so we're gonna start in one corner and work our way across to the other corner. And, oh boy. Are you in frame? I hope so. Here we go. If you haven't checked out Olga's channel, you should go give it a look. She's got a lot of cool stuff that she does. And she also puts out a newsletter that I subscribe to. And it's really cool, and I learn a lot from it. So yeah, it's Smart Art Materials with Olga Soby. And I will have a link. Oh, okay, mine didn't come out as pretty as hers. First attempt. But yeah, I'll have a link for her channel in the description below. I'm going to bring that down a little bit, see if that helps it at all. And it's not. Right, a little side to side. Okay. Well, that one didn't work. What do I do now, Olga? Okay. Pretty colors. I really love that burgundy. Okay. Well, should we just do a ribbon pour over it? Let's see. I'm going to try and do the vein of the feather and just see if anything helps first. Okay, I kinda got that. That is kind of neat. Just wish this all would have worked out better. That is kind of cool. I actually think I might leave it just as it is, because it's my very first traveling kiss pour feather. So I want to commemorate it, and I'm going to leave it. As hard as it is, I'm going to leave it, because yeah, it's fun to watch sometimes where you start with certain techniques and where you end up. Yep, I'm going to save it. I'm going to put it on my wall, and that way, if I become a master at these like Olga, I can look back and go, wow, that was the first one. You really sucked back then. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But no, it just helps you build your confidence, because you can look back and see how far you've come, and that's what I want to do. In this, I want to be able to look back at the very first one and go, see, all this practice has been worth it. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so don't be afraid to take chances and try something new, guys. It might not be exactly like someone else's, but it'll be yours. Hi, we're back. This is the dried results for the traveling kiss pour that I tried, and it dried beautifully. I mean, look at that. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it did. I think it looks pretty cool for a first try. Still gotta have some practice, but don't we all? Look at that. Aren't those colors just gorgeous? And you can see how the metallics just bounce off this. It's so pretty. I really like it. Okay, guys. Hope you liked it too. Until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.